grab it here, and then over easy. Remember, the less you touch the dough,
The better.
The better. But perfect. Okay.
Square, I mean,
Yeah,
round.
get it round again.
Round again, yep.
Now, you're going to see that when you push in the middle, the ear's gonna go here, and it's gonna puff. So go out. Watch the edge puff. See, see it? Look.
Yep.
Go ahead, keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah, good. Stop. So go like this. See it?
Oh.
See it?
So much.
Look. Keep going. Now go light and easy. Yep. Out, not down.
Out.
Now do it. Go to the. Don't worry about making an edge. It's gonna make an edge.
Just
Yeah,
work
just
it.
go. Yeah, just work it nice and light. That's it. Look.
That's it.
Done. Okay. I'll help you over here.
And then you transfer it over to.
Yeah, I'll help you.
Yeah.
So you're gonna go like this. Okay.
That's it.
So you got fresh fior, shred. I would suggest, how do you like it? Sauce down, cheese down?
All the way, everywhere.
Do whatever you want. Make a pie. Remember, go light with your sauce. Start in the middle. Yep. Keep your spoon. See that spoon, how it's flat?
Yep.
It's made to stay flat.
Okay.
So keep it flat.
Keep it flat.
Nice and light. Yep. Keep it flat. So when you go like that, right? Go like this. Watch. Go here. And then go like, see where I'm grabbing it? You're here. Less leverage. Go here. Watch. And then, see, and then to the edge. Don't keep going back and forth, because remember, the dough's only that thick.
Yep.
So you want to get it on, get all your
That's
toppings
it.
on, and get it the fuck in the oven. So go ahead. Keep going.
Are you filming? I'm a traditional guy. You know, but let's do,
There's pure.
we got here a little broccoli rabe or spinach?
That's spinach.
Spinach.
If we're blowing the Corona diet, we're gonna be a little healthy.
The spinach will offset all the carbs. So Billy, what are you showing Lou to do here?
Less is more. You gonna put cheese on that or no cheese?
There's
You got fresh cheese or shred? You like shred?
I'm gonna do just a couple pieces of fresh.
Go ahead, do your thing.
Look at this, look at my towel.
Towel is key.
The towel is good.
So you may say to yourself, why are you putting the pizza at 2 o'clock instead of 12 o'clock? Because I know my oven. And
Okay,
right
so-
now my oven is fired up.
Fry it out, so you put it a little further
Putting
away.
a little cooler. I got a cool spot. I know where it is.
This is the true temperature?
Yeah.
I've been looking at this thing, man.
Yeah, the same thing. It's Italian.
Oh,
Same thing. See the
Celsius?
do you see where the thermostat is? Like, see a little hallway in the
Oh,
back
yeah,
there? That thermostat's this long. That thermometer, that long. This
Oh.
is 5,500 pounds.
that's incredible.
If you want, you can stand here, and you can see what you spread. See it? You get a little,
Uh-oh. Your little tear in there?
little tiny tear in it, but that's okay. We let it set up.
Ooh, you know how many times I've messed that up?
Really? A lot of holes.
Or on the peel.
Yeah. Make a flat
Just-
flat tire.
Roll it right in and rake the coals over it.
So Billy, there's a consideration obviously for the dough, but how about the toppings as far as heat goes?
Oh, well, it's a good point. You have to, you have to make sure that the toppings that you're going to serve,
Can handle it.
yeah, and everything's timed. Everything's a timing thing. So we're not gonna everything's a timing thing. So, for example, there's no water in my mushroom because I use a fresh
Yeah,
mushroom.
I felt real dry.
Very dry. My onion is thinly cut red. You don't want to put an onion cut that thick because it won't cook. And then I have caramelized. You like onions or no?
Yeah.
Try that. You love those.
How are they?
Very good.
Would AJ eat those?
Oh no, he's not an onion guy.
So the bacon, the basil, my collard, I use catamalals. I don't believe in canned. I use these guys. And then everything else is cut accordingly for cooking time. Do you know what I mean? Those are dynamite, right?
Good.
This is your pie.
So, Billy, how long do you leave that to set up after you pull it out?
That's
of the oven?
fine. He can go. You like olive oil, right?
Yeah. And you oil after?
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah, pretty much.
That might be another thing I was going to.
Go ahead,
Oil
go
and
for it.
cheese after.
Yeah, I do a little of this and a little of that. I mean, there's, you're not really supposed to put.
Anybody else want to bite?
Where's the butter?
I gave it to you to clean.
Okay. I'll be right back.
That's because of the way you spun it.
Yeah.
But that's okay. It happens.
See, now that's perfect.
Yeah. This will soften up. It'll soften up. And dough, the same dough, Lou, and I'll, again, with my hands. Same dough, watch. Same dough. Same dough. And then I'll tell you what you did as a mistake. Or
Pizzaiolo?
Thank you. Oh. The secret spices.
yeah, I like it. Now watch what happens to this pizza. And then you'll see how I finish it. I love, stay there, Mom. You're good.
I mean, that's a skill right there, just getting it on the.
That, you know how hard that
Thanks.
is? It's one of those things you've got to commit to it,
Right.
and everybody wants to, and then you get
A lot of wrist work, though, which we know Billy's good at.
Yeah, thank you.
I threw my peel. I had, when I first built my oven, I bought one of these. I thought, used it twice, threw it away.
Oh, yeah.
Went to a
Like
wooden,
all
went
the
to a wooden peel.
tools and everything, I know everybody, you know?
Yeah.
So. Watch the edge. You'll see that the edge comes up.
I can see it popping right now already.
Yeah.
That's really.
See the
growing.
difference?
Yeah.
Is it because of the olive oil?
No, it's because I just soft the hands and just understanding the dough.
Good shit. I never claimed that soft hands.
See it?
Yeah.
See, that's why this is your first expedition in the professional
Pizza game.
world.
Look. And see how it's all equal?
Yeah.
See?
Oh, yeah.
How many is Lewis gonna have to roll to get close to where you're at, Billy, with it?
A lot.
Couple thousand?
I won't live long
It's
enough.
crazy. It's nothing you can do, dude. It just
No.
takes time.
I make pizza every 6 months.
Yeah. So does that little part that you're doing now serve more to heat the top?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at the bubbles.
It's unbelievable. Look at the difference.
You know what though? For your first time, Lou, I give you a lot of credit, buddy.
You know,
This one you'll like.
Oh, he just put the killer on top.
Yeah, unbelievable. Is that feta? Or
Goat.
goat cheese? You guys don't mess around.
Goat-
What are you
goat.
rolling there? Oh, I thought he was. Kid.
This is like, to be honest with you, is like one of my,
I'm not touching that thing.
it's one of my
Have
favorites.
faith, you can cut it. You can do it.
This is a
You-
wild.
You can't do
Cut
it wrong.
Cut it?
Yeah,
You can do it all right.
go from 6 to, no, I'll finish it. Go 6 to 12. Then when you're cutting it, instead of putting it here, like
Yep.
it's cut here.
Down.
Yeah,
then
so
through.
you want to put the pressure straight.
Okay.